Okay, we finally get to our graphing problems. So you're given a set of coordinates. Okay, there's our coordinates. And I find it easier to go ahead and graph the pre-image. So this is going to be our pre-image. Okay, you don't have to, but I find it easier, and it gives me a good way to check and make sure that my image is correct. So A is 1. I'm going to make some dots here. Okay, B is x equals 4, y equals 1. Okay, C is x equals 1, y equals 2. And there's my little teeny triangle. Oops. Sorry. Keep hitting something over here and I don't mean to. So I'm going to do this really quickly again. So I have 1, 4, 1, and 1, 2. Okay, there's my first one. A, B, C. Okay, so now I'm going to draw my table, and not the table that you see. Okay, those of you, I thought that was funny, those of you who drew those on your homework. Okay, pre-image is on this side. Okay, I'll leave that green. So our pre-image, A, B, C, 1, 1, 4, 1, 1, 2. I'm going to change colors for the image. Okay, we notice our scale factor is 3, so I'm going to make my A prime. Okay, remember our image we refer to as A prime, B prime, and C prime. I'm going to multiply 3 times each of those coordinates, my x and y coordinates, and I'm going to come out with 3, 3. B prime, 3 times 4 is 12, 3 times 1 is 3. C prime, 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6. Okay, so let's graph this. So A prime is 3, 3. Okay, B prime is 12, 3, so it only goes to 10, so we're going to make a 12. I'm going to go up 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's B prime. Okay, C prime is 3, 6. Okay, I'm going to connect the dots. Okay, and there is my dilated polygon. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and go to the next problem. I'm not going to do a separate movie for it. Okay, so here we are. So here's my pre-image. Here's my scale factor. Until I'm beginning at this. Here's my pre-image. Here's my scale factor. Okay, so pre-image, A is 2, 2. B is -2 up 2. C is -1 in x, -1 in y. So I'm right there. And D is x equal 2, y equals -1. Okay, so there's my pre-image. Now I need to label. Okay, here's A, B, C, and D. Okay, so now, okay, my pre-image. And I know this might seem like a lot of writing to you, but it does keep it straight. So And it helps me remember exactly what I'm doing and where I'm at. And if I don't do it this way, then oftentimes, probability of me making a mistake gets much bigger. Okay, so let's switch to pink. So my image, and notice I'm using colors. I really strongly recommend that you do this on your homework, on your quizzes, on your tests, everything, because it really helps keep things straight. And there's tons of colored pencils in the classroom. Okay, my scale factor is 5. Gosh darn it. Ay. Okay, so hopefully you still have that other one in your mind. So 5, A prime is going to be 5 times 2 is 10, comma 10. See, A was 2, comma 2. B was negative 2, comma 2. Don't get sloppy with your negative signs, guys. That'll really mess you up. 5 times negative 2 is negative 10. 5 times positive 2 is 10. C was negative 1, negative 1. C prime, negative 5, negative 5. D was 2, comma negative 1. D prime. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times negative 1 is negative 5. Okay. So A is 10, comma 10, or A prime. So I'm up here. B prime is X is equal to negative 10, Y is equal to 10. So I'm up here. B prime. Okay, C prime is negative 5, comma 5. C prime, and D prime is X is equal to 10, Y is equal to negative 5. Okay, so let's draw our image. There's that goofy line. Okay, so here's our image. Okay, I'll do the pre-image quickly just so we can remember it was 2, 2, negative 2, up 2, negative 1, 1, and 2, negative 1. So there was our pre-image. Okay, sure enough, dilation of 5. And you're done. Okay, that's it.